Welcome students to another episode of your homeschooling and virtual learning process. Today we'll be discussing about the assignments that I had given you the previous day on prefer and rather chapter. Now what I found is maximum of you have got almost all the sentences correct, and relatively you people have worked on the basic formulas in the concept that I had given to you. Got it? For the ones who could not get it right, or maybe few here and there, as I'll be discussing only the sentences and not in detail, but today I'll be doing it in detail. Now let's go back to the sentence. I'll be just scrolling that entire sheet in front of you. You can just go through that and keep your answers ready. One by one I'll be telling the answers. You can check it out. So your first sentence was, I would rather walk than cycle. It's I would rather walk than cycle. Begin I prefer. So the answer is I prefer walking to cycling. I prefer walking to cycling. Okay, our sentence number 2 says Julie would rather stay at home than go out in the rain. Julie would rather stay at home than go out in the rain. Begin Julie prefers. Julie prefers staying at home to going out in the rain. Here Julie's preference is staying at home and not going out in the rain. So your answer is Julie prefers staying at home to going out in the rain. Okay, coming down to your third sentence, your sentence number 3 says, I prefer reading a book to watching a movie. Quite common of a sentence. I prefer reading a book to watching a movie. Begin, I would rather. I would rather read a book than watch a movie. I would rather read a book than watch a movie. Fourth sentence is running is more pleasant than swimming. Running is more pleasant than swimming. Your narration says as begin one would rather find. Okay, quite a complicated one, but if you keep your formulas and everything accurate, no, you will definitely get this sentence at one shot. Now see, running is more pleasant than swimming. Now this sentence explains that running is far more preferable than swimming. Okay, so one would rather find. So your answer is one would rather find running more pleasant than swimming. One would rather find running more pleasant than swimming. Okay, your last sentence is I don't like playing basketball. Instead, I like playing cricket. The last sentence says that I don't like playing basketball. Instead, I like playing cricket. So your preference is about cricket. So begin I prefer the same thing. I prefer playing cricket to playing basketball. It's very easy. See your sentence. It's I don't like playing basketball. Instead, I like playing cricket. The speaker says here that instead of basketball, I prefer playing cricket. Okay, next I have attached the preposition module along with this video. What you can do is just note down all the questions in your copy, maybe your school copy or your rough copy, wherever you are taking down all the class 10 notes. Just take your 2-3 minutes out, solve it out, come back and let's check out the answers. Okay, let's check out the answers. It's I'll take my driving test after a week of practice. Got it? I'll take my driving test after a week of practice. Okay. Next we have I always go to bed dash 11 p.m. It's our regular habit, so you need to write I always go to bed at 11 p.m. Next is I will wait for you dash the corner. I'll wait for you at the corner. Okay. Ben bought a cycle dash $20. Okay, Ben bought a bicycle dash $20 for $20. Okay, next we have Karen and I walked dash the park and back. Karen and I walked to the park and back. Okay, we visited friends dash London in London. Shelly was waiting dash noon for her appointment. So Shelly was waiting since noon for her appointment. Okay, the last sentence, it's gasoline is priced dash 84 yen a liter. So gasoline is priced at 84 yen a liter. So next we'll be practicing verbs and tenses. I have attached the module and exercise along with this. Just go solve it down, come back, we'll be discussing the answers. Okay, so here are the answers of your verbs and tenses module. Let's check it out. Venice is situated. Next, islands that are separated by canals. The islands are located. Next, you have people resided, then which is considered. The lagoon and a part of the city are listed. Parts of Venice are renowned. So that was all for today. Next week, same day, same place, same time, with a fresh new topic and a fresh new start. Till then, goodbye.